get a little cat box for my kitties to enjoy some of the outdoors. And we have a lot of activity around here. Lots of birds and squirrels. And Panther's just enjoying. Yes, yes, we see you. I like just watching the little critters all the time. My bird feeders or squirrel feeders, which is the first thing they empty. I feed them at the bottom of the tree too. And there you go. And then over here I have a bucket. I put holes in the bottom. And I fill that with food. And the food comes out the holes on the bottom. And that gets emptied so quickly. I could have anywhere from 7 to 17 squirrels here on a daily basis. So he's checking that because he loves that. And you, I see you. Look at you. You want attention, I know. Sunning yourself here in the box. You got a nice view of outside. The squirrels like visiting the cats on that tree too. If you got a cat, I recommend these. I got it on Amazon. Just a box that goes in the window. It just slides in. It's really cool. There's my little squirrels. Oh, and then I got, if he lets me show you, and heated outdoor bowl I just got off Amazon a couple days ago. It's about 20 degrees here now, and the water doesn't get warm, it just does not freeze. So that was like 20 bucks, I believe, or something. Yeah, all right, show 'em, get a drink. I go out there and I add hot water to it too, because the hot water just turns cold pretty fast. Because the squirrels really appreciate that warm water. They take really long drinks of it. So are you going to go get a drink from the feeder? Or? No, you're just going to dig around and do your thing. Okay. Well, yeah, definitely one of those heated water bowls, that is such a game changer. I mean, instead of going out there and changing water all the time because it freezes so fast, they do take advantage of it and they do drink from it. What else we got over here? Panther! Okay, he grabbed the camera. Yeah. So, yeah, those are my little dudes. Alright, Panther. Did you get the attention you wanted? Are you the star of the show? Of course you are. Yes, you are star of the show. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You like animals. Kinda. Yeah. Okay. Okay, can I have my hand back? Okay.